how you can change your Instagram profile picture without altering your Facebook profile picture. Be sure to watch the video till the end to fully understand the steps. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu icon at the top right corner and select Account Center. Now, under the Connected Experiences, tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Now, here we haven't connected the Instagram to Facebook yet, so what you can do is, if you have connected your Facebook to Instagram, you'll need to disconnect it. Just simply tap on it and you'll find button where it says Remove. Tap on it and your Facebook account that's connected to your Instagram will be removed. Now, when you change your profile picture on Instagram, it won't affect your Facebook profile picture. And that's how you can update your Instagram profile photo independently. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.